Home remedies to get rid of backache. A stressful life, traveling, exercising or aging, all this is one of the causes of backache. It is one health issue which makes us restless and if not taken care of results in making our routine terrible. Here are a few home remedies to get rid of that backache. 1. Mix camphor and coconut oil and boil it for 5 minutes. Cool it and store it in a bottle. Massage it twice in a week before going to sleep to get rid of backache. 2. While you're spending some time watching TV, put a hot water bag on back supported by a cushion. The heat-based treatment will help you recover backache. 3. In a bucket of lukewarm or slightly hot water, add few drops of eucalyptus oil. Taking a bath with this water will help you get rid of backache as well as body pain. Not just that, it makes you feel stress-free. 4. Massage your back with mustard oil an hour prior to going for a shower. Make sure you take a hot water shower. 5. Add ginger while brewing your tea, it will help you lower the chances of backache. 6. In a warm glass of milk, add a pinch of turmeric and few drops of honey. Make it a habit to have this regularly to get rid of backache, body pain as well as a cough and cold too. 7. Using a herbal oil for massaging your back also ensures a quick recovery. 8. Take a tube sack and fill it with rice. Make sure to tie off end of the sock. Heat and microwave for 3–5 minutes, then just lay it wherever you have the pain. It works wonders for lower back pain. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe Natural Benefits channel, like and comment.